Hello everybody, we are the Galactic Cubers from Saarbrücken in Austria, and today we're going to present to you the project we've been working on for the past few months, our Rubik's Cube solver. And first we have the process. The Rubik's Cube solver took about 6 weeks to build and to program, so all in all 6 weeks. And our moon rover, or the transport vehicle, took about 3 weeks to build and program. This is our team, so we have 8 variations ranging from 11 years old to 15 years old. Our mentor is Mr. Christoph Adel. And I drew you a little comic. So our story is that Aaron, the astronaut, is searching for a job, and he saw that the company called Galactic Cubers is searching for astronauts, and he always had an interest in astronauts. So he decided to become one. He talked to the main engineer, and he got a very special mission that is to colonize the moon, and to do that they used a Rubik's Cube as fuel. So here, as you can see, our first robot is the line following robot, or transportation vehicle. It has a platform on top to transport the unsolved Rubik's Cube. It has 2 sensors on each side of the robot that are able to follow the line and help it navigate to the cube solver. As you can see, it also has a sensor in the front which can help it stop in time in front of the cube solver or the rocket, so that it can deliver the cube into the various robots. It also has a sensor on top which helps it detect the cube, which means that if there is no cube on top, it will stop to drive. And only if the cube is placed on top, it will drive or move forward. You can also see we taped a black line to the floor, and we made a few curves and turns so that our robot is a bit challenged. He is about halfway to our Rubik's Cube solver, and hopefully he makes it. At the end of the course, there are 2 black lines which are getting wider as time goes on for the robot to drive in a straighter line. So now this has arrived, and we will now place the Rubik's Cube into the solver per human interaction. As you can see, the solver is now turning the cube with 1 arm and a platform which helps it to be solved. Now we will place the cube back into the robot, and our line-following robot will now turn around on its own and move back to the start using the same line-following technology. If you're wondering why the robot is moving from side to side a bit strangely, it's because the 2 sensors work as follows. When they detect a black line, they move in the opposite direction of it until they again detect the black line. That means that it will always stay safely on course and won't be able to miss the line. It has now almost made it to the rocket, and hopefully the solved Rubik's Cube will help our friend Aaron, the astronaut, move back to Earth and activate the rocket. Should now detect the rocket in front of it and stop in time. It has now delivered the cube, and as you can see, the rocket will now light up as it is activated by the cube. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Galactic Cubers from Austria. Thank you, Eldin, Theo, Matteo, Matthias, and Daniel. Well done.